Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney Grayton. I'm a loctician and educator, and over here on my side of YouTube you will find expert information on caring for your locks and other lifestyle content. So in this video I'm going to be talking about reparting your locks. If you are someone looking to go from one parting style to the next or no parting style, if you have freeformed or semi-freeformed and you want to create some parts, stay tuned because I will be getting into it. One, is it possible? Yes, that is the question that I got recently. Is it possible to repart my locks? It is definitely possible if your locks are healthy and your scalp and everything is in good condition. And I say that because if you have a lot of breakage near the root and everything, it might be a little difficult to do it. You would have to wait for a lot of those short pieces and the breakage to kind of grow out to give you some wiggle room to be able to move things around. I also would recommend that you go to a professional, and specifically someone who has done this before. I don't have any tutorials yet about how to do this because I just haven't had a client in a long time ask me to do that. You know, if I do, then I will bring that video to you, but I would definitely recommend going to someone who has done this service before. And you know, if you're looking for someone, just reach out to them because it can be a disaster if not done correctly and carefully. And you also want to make sure that you can kind of already budget and think in your mind that you will be going to this person at least for a few months after they repart your hair, just to make sure everything is looking good the way that they did it. Why someone may want to do this, like I said, if you have freeformed or if you don't really have parts at all and you want someone to now go through and give you more traditional locks where you can retwist them and everything, you will need somebody who's able to make sure that your locks are still similar size and, you know, have a solid foundation at the root, because that is very important when you are looking to grow healthy and long locks. So that person will be separating the freeform but also creating parts for you that give you a great foundation at the root. Another reason is, like, say for instance you had C parting or you had random parting and now you want more straight parting, or vice versa, you had more straight parting and you want them to look a little bit more round. This is a very tricky process. I want to underscore that, underscore. This is a tricky process and it can go wrong. When I had my first set of locks, I didn't really like the way my parts were started, and so I asked my sister to do my reparting and she did a really great job. However, it was a process to allow the loose hair that she created by cutting some of the locks to really get locked into the hair. And I actually ended up combing my hair out before that process was even complete. But yes, it is a tricky process and you want to make sure that you're going to someone who you trust. So I know just a few seconds ago when I mentioned cutting, some of you probably were like, what? You know, it's not just pulling it apart. And in some cases, especially in those drastic cases where you are going from one parting style to the next, you will need some cutting to go on. Like, let me show you in mine. So say for instance, so I have this lock right here. It's more C organic-ish, but what if I wanted to make this a triangle? I would never do it, but you know, if I wanted to make this a triangle, or even like, I don't know, you know, yeah, triangle. Technically, in order to make that triangle, I would need to cut here in order to create that line, right? And so I would be cutting this off and then trying to put this little piece of hair with another triangle over here somewhere. Now, as you can imagine, that will make this lock just a little bit weaker, and then having this loose hair right here, needing to wrap it on the other lock, it would take some time for that loose hair to really get butted into the other lock, unless you're doing some crochet, which is also another option. Yeah, that's pretty much the process if you are doing a drastic change. Even with freeform, I've had to use scissors in order to separate a lot of the hair that has been, you know, attached together for some time. It has locked all together, and typically it's like a few, you know, kind of like big locks, and then a lot of times they'll have like little ones kind of around. You're using the scissors to separate the hair and create locks that are similar in size. you know, to try to make them look a little bit more uniform like traditional locks. You will need to keep the hair moist. You need to be doing this on hair that has been recently washed or is moist, so that you don't do too much damage when you're pulling the hair apart, or you know, it'll be just a little easier to separate if the hair is damp and hydrated. You will need to be doing, like I said, either palm roll or crocheting. Interlocking can also be done just to kind of like bring the hair together at the root, but you will definitely still have to wrap the hair around the lock in order to create a more solid foundation of that lock. And I actually would recommend that you go to someone who can crochet if need be, so that they can just really make sure that that foundation is solid, because what you will end up having is a lot of short hairs all over, especially if you have to cut. You have short hairs all over, and those hairs need to know where to go. Palm rolling can help if you do that and then put it in a style. Maybe if your hair is long enough to do like 2-strand twist, you can palm roll it, immediately put it in the 2-strand twist. But you would definitely have to be doing that moving forward for a while for the hair to really lock, especially after a lock is already formed. With this, if I go in and try to get some loose hair and get it to lock within this lock, it's going to be a little harder because this hair is already formed. If this hair was loose, then it will all just lock together. But now you're trying to get loose hair to lock into a lock that's already locked. I have a lock somewhere, I was playing with it earlier, that has like a piece of loose hair out of it, and I think it's because of something I did when I was installing them. I was being a little lazy. Okay, yes, right here. So I have this lock right here, but then I have this piece of loose hair. Y'all, I have been trying to wrap this around and get this to lock in this lock for months now. It's not really doing anything because this lock is already budded, and I'm really trying to get it to lock in there. What I'll end up probably having to do, I won't do it anytime soon because I'll just want to wait, and I'd rather not have to crochet my hair, but I'm going to end up having to do that. So this is what I usually have to do, just wrap it around so that it looks nice. But I will probably eventually have to do some crocheting just to get it to stay that way. So if you can imagine, if you've already allowed your hair to lock and now you are trying to cut loose hair, you're making loose hair all over your head in order to change your parting up, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get those new locks to really form if you're not doing something like crochet to really get it, you know, solid, immediate, almost like an instant lock, you know? And yeah, the pro tip that I said is just to style your hair, and that's going to help to just keep the hair in place, just like I say with starter locks, in order to allow the hair to do what it needs to do, to start budding, to start really holding it in place. A style really helps it to do that, as opposed to it just being loose. You're spraying it, you're watering it, the hair is going to curl up, it's going to shrink, it's going to separate. So getting a style is definitely going to hold it in place while the locking process starts to take place. Let me know if that makes sense. I know this is a short video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them below, and I'll be in the comments making sure to answer any questions a little bit more thoroughly if you need them. And then yeah, I will see you all in my next video, and happy reparting. If you need it, set a consultation with me and we can talk about if it's possible for you and how that process will go and all the things. But I'll talk to you all soon. Bye. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something and you would like to join a community full of people like you who are committed to supporting thriving and healthy locks, I have a personal community and membership over here on my YouTube channel that I would love for you to check out. You'll get access to members only live. You'll be able to see me retwist in real time on live video, as well as other perks like discounts, giveaways of my favorite products and tools, and so much more. Be sure to check out the link below and click join so that you can see what it's all about. I will see you on the inside.